Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
The form which I see is eternally freed from material contamination and has advented to show mercy to the devotees as a manifestation of internal potency. This incarnation is the origin of many other incarnations, and I am born from the lotus flower grown from your navel home. The three deities Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshvara, Shiva, the executive heads of the three modes of material nature, passion, goodness and ignorance, are all generated from Garbhodakashi Vishnu, who is described herein by Brahma. From the Shirodakashayi Vishnu, many Vishnu incarnations expand at different ages in the duration of the cosmic manifestation. They are expanded only for the transcendental happiness of the pure devotees. The incarnations of Vishnu, who appear at different ages and times, are never to be compared to the conditioned souls. The Vishnu Tattvas are not to be compared to deities like Brahma and Shiva, nor are they on the same level. Anyone who compares them is called a pasandi, or infidel. Tamasa, mentioned herein, is the material nature, and the spiritual nature has a completely separate existence from tama. Therefore, spiritual nature is called avabodha rasa, or avarodha rasa. Avarodha means that which completely nullifies. In the transcendence there is no chance of material contact by any means. Brahma is the first living being, and therefore he mentions his birth from the lotus flower generated from the abdomen of Garbhodakashayi Vishnu.